The business world is changing rapidly. Companies are increasingly embracing remote work as a viable option. Virtual assistants, or VAs, are a key part of this significant shift. VAs are highly skilled professionals who work remotely from various locations. They provide essential support to businesses of all sizes, from startups to established enterprises. From solo entrepreneurs to large corporations, VAs are becoming indispensable assets. They offer a wide range of services, including administrative tasks, customer support, social media management, and more. The rise of VAs is driven by several factors, including cost efficiency and flexibility. Technology has made remote work easier than ever before. The cloud, video conferencing, and project management tools enable seamless collaboration across different time zones and locations. One of the most significant advantages of hiring VAs is cost savings. Businesses can significantly reduce overhead costs. Office space, equipment, and employee benefits are no longer required. VAs often charge hourly rates. This is more cost-effective than hiring full-time employees. Businesses can scale their workforce up or down as needed. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for startups and small businesses. They often have limited budgets and fluctuating workloads. VAs provide a cost-effective solution to manage operations efficiently. VAs can significantly enhance business efficiency. They are skilled in various areas. This allows business owners and employees to focus on core tasks. Time-consuming administrative tasks can be delegated to VAs. This frees up valuable time for strategic planning and business development.
VAs can also improve communication and response times. We can handle customer inquiries, schedule appointments, and manage emails. This ensures that businesses are responsive to their clients' needs.
Section 4. Tapping into a global talent pool. Hiring virtual assistants gives businesses access to a global talent pool. Geographical barriers are no longer a limitation. Businesses can find highly skilled professionals from around the world. This is particularly beneficial for specialized skills. Finding local talent can be challenging and expensive. Virtual assistants offer a solution to this problem. They bring a diverse range of skills and experiences to the table. This can enhance creativity and innovation within a business.
Section 5. Navigating the challenges of virtual assistants. In this section, we will explore the various hurdles that businesses might face when integrating virtual assistants into their operations. While virtual assistants offer numerous benefits, there are also potential challenges. These challenges can range from technical issues to human factors that need careful consideration. Communication and cultural differences can sometimes pose difficulties. Misunderstandings can arise due to language barriers or different cultural norms, which can affect productivity.
It's important to establish clear communication channels and expectations. Setting up the right tools and protocols can help mitigate these issues. Regular video conferencing and instant messaging can bridge the gap. These tools help maintain a sense of connection and ensure everyone is on the same page.
Data security is another concern. With sensitive information being shared, it's crucial to have robust security measures in place. Businesses should ensure that virtual assistants use secure platforms and follow data protection protocols. This helps in safeguarding confidential information and maintaining trust.
Building trust and rapport with virtual assistants takes time. It's not just about assigning tasks, but also about creating a collaborative environment. Regular communication and feedback are crucial for a successful working relationship. Continuous interaction helps in understanding each other's working styles and improving efficiency.
Section 6. Virtual Assistants, the future of business. In this section, we will explore how virtual assistants are revolutionizing the way we work and conduct business. Virtual assistants are not just a trend, they are the future of business. These intelligent tools are transforming everyday tasks and making operations more efficient. As technology continues to evolve, remote work will become even more prevalent. Virtual assistants will play a crucial role in facilitating seamless communication and collaboration among remote teams. Businesses that embrace virtual assistants will have a competitive advantage. They will be able to streamline processes, enhance productivity, and stay ahead in the market. They will be able to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and access global talent. This will enable companies to scale their operations and reach new heights.
The key to success is to find the right virtual assistant for your business needs. Carefully assess your requirements, considering both short-term and long-term goals. Research different virtual assistant services, comparing their features, costs, and user reviews to make an informed decision, and communicate your expectations clearly. Setting clear guidelines and objectives will ensure a successful partnership with your virtual assistant. By embracing the power of virtual assistants, businesses can unlock new levels of growth and success in the digital age. The future is bright for those who adapt and innovate.